gems, how you doing? How's the kids? How's the dog? And how's the grass? All good and swell. Okay, so today you see me got her or whatever. I have her or whatever. I have her. Today's little quick hairstyle is called a Quickweave Bob. Yeah, okay. Quickweave Bob. Simple. Well, it's easier when someone else does it for you, so it's gonna take some time. And I do not have a perm in my hair, so you got to make sure that you flat iron your hair to the cords and you make sure that it lay, because if it's humid outside, your natural hair will puff up. But this hairstyle is preferred for people who have perms because it's just easier to maintain. But I'm probably gonna leave this in for a week. Or even 2 days, who knows, because I don't want to cause too much heat damage to my hair by flat ironing it constantly. But yeah, this is pretty easy, it's simple, and you know, true life, I love bobs. I love me some bobs, so of course I had to do a bob quick weave. If you want to see how I achieve this look, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment below, let your girl know how you feel, and continue watching. So this is my braid pattern. I was in school, super bored. So I braided it down because, I mean, what else was I doing? We're gonna need a couple items. Well, two main important ones. We need super hair bond glue. Ooh. I hope this is enough. Today I'm using a whole bunch of old bundles. Like, I'm about to just put these together and see what we could come up with. We're gonna make magic happen. We're gonna need 2 caps. I'm using black. Scissors, clips, combs, you know, the usual, regular, all that good stuff. All right, so we're gonna start. I need my mirror. We're gonna put this bad boy on. I'm gonna have to probably draw a line to try to remember. Nah, I could feel. I'm gonna put 2 for protective reasons, because I don't got time. Yeah, I'll be able to figure out where it is. Let me make sure this is out. Okay, I have my spritz to spray it down. I'm gonna start with this random blonde piece. It's thick. Whatever. Random blonde piece. I don't know if I should add this blonde piece. We're gonna add it anyway. Hey gems. Alright, so we're here to give you a little bit of voiceover on how to get this thing done. Now you're going to measure the weft side to side, from one side of your nape to the other side of your nape. Once you have that figured out, you're going to cut that weft, and then you're going to apply your bonding glue. You want to be generous here, so you make sure that that thing sticks well. Now you're going to, again, go from the side you measure to the other side and place that track right there. You're going to press down, lots of pressure. And to make sure this stays even better, you're going to then get a blow dryer to have this melt better. You get what I'm saying? The glue will get on your fingers, but don't worry, this glue comes off fairly easy, and it's not that, it's not that big of a deal. If you're new to my channel, welcome gems. If you're returning subscribers, hey gems, how you doing? How's the kids? How's the dog? And how's the grass? Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Continue to watch. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Let your girl know how you feel. And I will see you guys next time. See you later, my gems.